Good afternoon, sir. Sir, just before starting the conversation, this is very interesting, sir.
Biryani.
Why there is a biryani pic here?
Yeah, sure. I will tell you. At the end of the session, I will be explaining
And
about
also,
the biryani.
sir, I have heard that Vishnu IAS Academy is coming up with a new program, that is NCERT program.
Yes.
Is it, sir?
Yes.
That's great, sir. But I have a question, sir.
Yes.
Just to remind you, there are n number of programs over there in the YouTube. Like if you go to YouTube, just type NCERT video classes, there are n number of classes coming down. But what made you to come up with this program if it is available freely outside in the YouTube?
Yes, very logical question, Mr. Rajesh. In YouTube, in the search box, we enter NCERT 6th class or 7th class, polity, history, ready-made, n number of videos are there. So here we are going to provide not only NCERT and mentorship.
Oh.
So NCERT and mentorship, what was all about this, I am going to explain in this particular session.
Okay, NCERT and mentorship. Good to know, sir. What are the NCERTs that you are covering under this program?
Yes, first I will tell you what we have to prepare in NCERT, how we have to prepare and what we have to prepare in NCERT. First of all, why? Why comes the first? So, for the strong basics, when we want the strong basics, in civil services preparation, the NCERTs are foundation, the NCERTs are fundamental. When we are strong in our fundamentals and foundation, obviously the building will be very well, the basement will be good and the building will be looking very well, but that is all because of the foundation. So, for proper foundation, for strong basics, we need to do NCERT. Second point is establishing ourselves with the subjects. Means when you go into Delhi also, some people will travel to Delhi or some other places. So they cannot establish themselves with the subject. What is this subject? Very new, directly going into the center and coaching classes and listening to the class. So completely it is Greek and Latin. So if you want to establish yourself with the subject, if you complete your NCERT, you will feel ease, comfort, convenience. For that purpose, you have to do the NCERT. And the third reason is makes preparation easy. Beginning you are doing from foundation onwards. So the preparation will be easy. And for all the prelims examination, the source is NCERT books only. That source is NCERT and you should not neglect the NCERT, but because most of the questions are coming from NCERT. So for this purpose, you have to prepare NCERTs.
Yes, sir. Even I have noticed this source for prelims PYQs in the previous year question papers. But sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
The students knows all these things and every student comes up newly with how to prepare NCERT.
Yes.
Of course, that is a big blind spot, big mark. So a student journey in the UPSC starts with the NCERT.
Yes.
On realizing this, the people are running after YouTube courses.
Yes.
Again, you are coming up with the same course.
True.
I'll go to the YouTube and I'll get it for free.
Yes.
Why should I enroll in Vishnu IAS Academy?
100% Rajesh, very logical question this is. So before that I will tell you what all subjects we are covering in this particular program: polity, economy, history, geography and general science. These are all the NCERTs which we are covering. And which subjects we are going to cover? 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, 9th class, 10th class. Polity, economy, history is enough. And for 11th and 12th, you have to go for geography also. In this way, all these NCERTs we are covering in this particular program. Now your questions come. Mr. Rajesh, you are very logical enough. For that, I will give you, yes, NCERTs are freely available, but complete NCERT accessible we are giving you, and one more most important for any preparation is, which is not available in India, that is daily mentorship for NCERT. Daily mentorship for NCERT, that we are going to provide. Anyhow, NCERT classes we will provide you. NCERT classes will be there. Polity, economy, history, geography, general science from 6th class to 10th class, as well as geography classes will be from 11th and 12th you will be provided. But you will not get daily mentorship for 2 months. That is April month and May month, exclusive on NCERT subjects we will be providing. How, sir? I will tell you. Today we will give you one video in the morning class. 6th class NCERT polity we will give you. You have to watch and you have to come. In the classroom, the polity teacher, for example, I will be there and I will be solving your doubt and I will be telling that how to prepare this 6th class NCERT, what type of questions came earlier, how we can write an answer. In this way, every NCERT classroom doubt clearing session will be happening, mentoring session will be happening, and you will be talking with the faculty. So it will not be like a monologue where the teacher will teach and go. You can have a dialogue. You can question the teacher, sir, in this way I can prepare, or in this way I should prepare, how I have to prepare. In that way, daily mentorship with a doubt clearing session of NCERTs and explanations will be there in this particular program, which is NCERT preparation. Number 2, daily NCERT, daily newspaper reading we will be doing in the classroom. So I will bring the newspaper on daily basis. Every day you will be having 2 hours, 30 minutes I will categorize for newspaper reading. So it will be helpful for beginners. So a beginner who comes with a newspaper, for the 2 months I will be explaining you how to read the newspaper, how to identify the newspaper. So if you do this exercise for 2 months for 30 minutes, 100% your newspaper reading will be covered, and how to master the newspaper also you will be understanding. Hence you master the key to unlock the IAS IPS post. Third, individual strategy for every subject, not only NCERTs, for GS also, for polity, economy, history, geography, which I call it as big 4, individual strategy we will be giving you on daily basis. Not only that, how to make notes on current affairs. Daily current affairs we will be discussing, 30 minutes newspaper, 30 minutes current affair, 1 hour of NCERT doubt clearing session and mentoring session will happen, so that how to make notes on current affairs, how to sustainably we have to make the current affairs notes, and which will be reflected in prelims, how it will be reflected in the mains. In that particular format it will be happening. And these all classes will be not recorded videos. These all classes of mentorship will be live, online and offline, live, online and offline. And who will be taking care about the mentorship means I am going to take the mentorship. I will be taking the responsibility for the next 2 months. So 2 months every day you can meet me. I will be mentoring you with respect to this particular program. Hence this is where it is not available in India. That program we are doing.
Sir, NCERT with newspaper, really it's a very great initiative, sir. And that too mentorship by you, sir.
Yes.
That's a really great one.
True. Why we are doing this program means students are confusing how to prepare. Students are confused. So, no person, no faculty is there to talk. Very busy. So if dedicated 2 hours is kept for them, so it is their right to ask any question in that 2 hours. They will also feel very comfort and they will move on.
Yes, sir. For an aspirant, what to prepare NCERT we know. Why to prepare NCERT we know. But how to prepare NCERT we don't know.
Yes.
We don't know, really we don't know, sir. But great initiative. But sir, I have a doubt. Vishnu IAS Academy, that to you, sir, mentorship. On behalf of the rural students and vulnerable, financially vulnerable students, I am asking you. Sir, it would be, is it really affordable, sir? Really?
Are you thinking it will be more than 10,000?
NCERT, newspaper. Sir, if we go to Delhi, obviously newspaper single module will be around like 11,000, 12,000.
Yeah.
NCERT program would be 10,000.
Yeah.
So NCERT plus newspaper, that too one-to-one mentorship here.
Yeah, I got your
So
doubt.
obviously it would be.
Do you eat biryani?
I like a lot, sir.
So if you stop buying 3 family pack biryanis, you will get this complete course, which is at 2,499 rupees. So you can ask me why you are giving it this less cost, sir. It is to help the civil service aspirants who are the beginners, who are confused, who are unable to decide where to take the classes or how to prepare. For them to help, we are coming up with this initiative.
Great initiative, sir. Now I understood why you have posted a biryani pic. Of course. But one thing, sir, Vishnu IAS Academy, particularly you, sir, you are making this coaching, this UPSC exam, very affordable. It is actually a bit expensive. Every parent, everyone will be worrying, you know, my child is preparing for UPSC. Every neighbor will ask that how much money you are spending on that. But really, sir, these are the great initiatives from this academy to make this preparation very affordable. But really great, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.